Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2017 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, driver airbag, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, bucket seats, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, rear head airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.